In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Meta AI from Instagram. If you find the presence of Meta AI on your app a bit too much and you're wondering how to reduce or silence it, you've come to the right place. Follow along as we walk through a few simple steps to make your Instagram experience more tailored to your liking. First things first, you'll need to open your Instagram app. Once you're in, navigate to your direct messages, often referred to as DMs, or you can head over to the search bar if that's where the Meta AI icon typically pops up for you. This is the start of our journey in tweaking those AI interactions. Next, direct your attention to that notable blue gradient circle icon. This is the Meta AI icon. You'll either find it prominently in the search bar or within your chats as the Meta AI chats. And tap on this icon or chat to open up the interaction window. Now that you're in the Meta AI chat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There's an eye icon, which stands for information. Tapping this will provide you with additional options related to this chat and the AI interaction in general. In this new menu, you should see an option labeled mute or something similar. Tap on this to display further muting choices. Make sure you toggle on the mute messages option, then select until I change or opt for a long duration. This will ensure that messages from Meta AI are muted indefinitely or until you're ready to make a change. For those of you who might want to take it a step further, there is an optional way to limit Meta AI's presence even more. You can choose to block or restrict the Meta AI profile itself. This can help in reducing any interaction that might slip through and give you more control over your feed and messages. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can enjoy a quieter Instagram experience, free from unexpected AI interruptions. Remember, these settings can always be changed if you decide to reintroduce Meta AI in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guides. See you in the next video.